What's up, YouTube? It's me, Joel. Time for another installment of The Evil Cat. My cat Felix is so strange. He'll attack anything that moves, whether it be a curtain or a piece of fuzz on the floor. I don't know why he does that. When his eyes start to glow, you know he's about to attack. What I'm about to show you is how to annoy your evil cat. All you have to do is just get a pole with something attached to it. Y'all enjoyed this fun and safe way to annoy your evil cat.